Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you stop Roblox lag on mobile. First, let's tackle some quick fixes. Always close all other apps running in the background. They consume valuable processing power and memory. Then, fully close and restart your Roblox application. This clears temporary data that might be slowing things down. Finally, ensure your device has a minimum of 2 GB of free storage space. A full device struggles to perform optimally. These simple steps can often make a big difference right away. Next, optimize your device's overall performance. Clearing the cache for Roblox and other apps can remove accumulated temporary files, freeing up resources. Always keep your mobile operating system updated to the latest version. Updates often include performance enhancements and bug fixes. Additionally, make sure to disable any battery saver or low power modes while playing. These settings can significantly throttle your device's processing speed, leading to lag and a less enjoyable experience. Prioritizing performance can boost your game. Within Roblox itself, adjusting a few settings can drastically reduce lag. Access the in-game settings and lower the graphics quality. Setting it to automatic or a lower manual level can ease the burden on your mobile device. Similarly, reduce the render distance to the lowest possible setting. This means your device renders fewer objects, saving processing power. Also, ensure performance stats are turned off, as displaying them can add a small, unnecessary overhead. These changes prioritize smooth gameplay over visual fidelity. Your network connection plays a huge role in lag. Always connect to a strong, stable Wi-Fi network rather than relying on mobile data, which can be inconsistent. Moving closer to your Wi-Fi router significantly improves your signal strength and stability, reducing packet loss. If others are also using your network, consider asking them to temporarily pause heavy internet usage, like streaming or large downloads, to free up bandwidth for your game. A reliable connection ensures data flows smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.